Hello everyone, Tech Reviews back, and today's video is about no internet secured and Wi-Fi error in Windows computer. This error may occur on different Windows computer. So to fix this problem, click on here the search icon and type here settings. So here open the settings. Then after that, you will find network and internet here. Select network and internet. Then you will find here advanced network setting. Select it, and you will find after that network reset. So select the network reset. So here this network reset will remove and then reinstall all network adapters and set other networking components back to their original setting. So this will help you to solve no internet secured or Wi-Fi error on your computer. So make sure if you are connected through Wi-Fi, make sure you saved the password and other informations. So after that, click here reset now. And are you sure you want to reset your network setting? Then select here yes, and it will reset the network on your computer. And it will be turned off in 5 minutes. So it will reset and it will restart your computer. So after 5 minutes, your computer will restart. So this is the solution to fix this problem. I hope this video helped you. So please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech Review out.